Sunil from R Clean here and Exterior Clean Melbourne. So we're doing a residential solar panel clean today, and as you can see here, the panels are pretty dirty. They haven't been done in quite some time. Just remember now, if you do have panels and you don't maintain them, the efficiency of those panels is going to reduce. It's no different to if you leave your car out on the road and you don't clean it for 5 years. You will not be seeing anything through that windscreen, and that's just dust and dirt and pollen. And of course here you will also see, splotches of lichen starting to grow, which is, it's just natural. It's just the way nature works. So bear in mind, if you have spent thousands of dollars, as most people do, investing in solar to try and get a bit of a return, please consider maintaining them and be logical about that. There's a lot of gumph on the internet about solar panels being self-cleaning. Show me the technology behind that, and I might consider it. But as far as I know, and certainly the solar companies that we work with in terms of investment companies, people actually installing solar all agree that solar panels do need to be cleaned, and commercial companies are spending thousands and thousands of dollars every year, if not millions, across Australia to maintain their solar plants. So okay, with that said, the equipment that we have is completely pure water. So what you're seeing here is a water-fed brush that I'm using, and I'll use this just to start agitating. You've got to agitate the dirt off the panel, and otherwise if you just hose them down, it doesn't work. And even with that, what you're going to see is that you're not going to be able to remove that lichen. And also pollen. So pollen is another one that is not going to come off with just a brush and water. Bear in mind, this is 100% pure water. We have a seven-stage filtration system with a 1,000-litre tank on board on our trucks, so that we can actually work with completely pure water, as opposed to the water that comes out of your garden tap, which is not pure and still has levels of dirt. So the next stage really then is to use a glass safe scraper. This is the same scrapers that we use on your windows, so they're very safe for panels. And this is where we're just starting to scrape off all of that lichen, all of those bits of pollen which you're seeing on the panels there that haven't come off with a brush, and right down to the bottom. So this is the process that we undergo on whether it's residential or commercial, same process. And if you have panels that you want to maintain and make sure that you're getting the maximum return on your investment, do give us a call and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that's been informative. And look up our websites, which will be as part of the link on this video. Thanks for watching.